In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on PlayStation Store. Easy, 5 minutes. If you want to use Klarna to buy games, accessories, a console, or even a subscription on the PlayStation Store, this walkthrough will take you from sign in to confirmation smoothly. Before you start, make sure you're logged into your PlayStation account and that your Klarna app is ready to generate a virtual card. Klarna typically works by creating a one-time card that you use like a regular credit or debit card, so we'll enter it just like any other card at checkout. Begin by logging into your PlayStation account on your console or through a web browser. It's important that your account's country and billing address match the country supported by your Klarna card. Regional mismatches are a common reason payments get declined. Once you're in, head to the store. This is where you can browse everything available, from full games and add-ons to accessories and consoles. Take a moment to review prices and additions. If you're looking at subscriptions like PlayStation Plus, keep in mind that renewals are recurring. Klarna's one-time card will cover the initial charge, but renewals later may use whatever default payment method you have on file unless you update it. When you found what you want, choose Add to Cart. Double-check your cart contents, any bundles or additions, and your total. Then continue to checkout and select Add Payment Method. We're going to add Klarna as if it were a standard card, so choose Add a Credit Debit Card. On PlayStation, there isn't a dedicated Klarna button. This is expected. Open the Klarna app and create a virtual card for the exact amount you plan to spend. Back on the PlayStation checkout screen, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code exactly as shown in Klarna. Make sure the billing name and address match your PlayStation account details, character for character. If the card is time limited, complete the step promptly before the card expires. Save the card if you plan to use it again soon, or skip saving if it's a one-time purchase. With everything filled out, select Confirm Purchase. Your order will process, and Klarna will show the charge and payment schedule in its app. Digital content becomes available almost instantly. For physical items, keep an eye on shipping updates from PlayStation. If you run into a decline, check for address mismatches, insufficient Klarna limit, or any 3D secure verification prompts. For subscriptions, remember to revisit your payment methods before the next renewal if you don't want the default method charged. That's it. Enjoy your purchase and happy gaming.